first become educated on DEIB, because a lot of times I found that folks jump into it, to be honest with you, and really don't understand what it's all about, right? They really don't understand the depth of it. They really don't understand their own unconscious biases as well as conscious biases, right? And you have to understand those things in order to really center yourself to determine how you're going to do this work and how you're going to propel the work forward. So my suggestion has always been, not just take a class, read books, do things like being a part of the institute that you all are creating at Lenoir-Rhyne. Find somewhere where you can connect, meet with someone who is doing the work, and get some education on what is this all about, because DEIB is just as sensitive as HR work.